In this video, we'll be showing an entirely new tool that has been added to Clash Preventor version 5.0 based on several user requests, which is the link-to-link clash detection tool. As its name suggests, this tool runs a clash detection test between linked instances within a host model. Pressing the button would show an interface that allows users to select the links to be tested against each other. Note that the element categories and parametric rule filters of the links are the ones configured for each link as shown in Part 2. Once the run is started, Clash Preventor will check linked instances of those selected linked documents against each other. A progress form would show users the number of tests involved and the progress of the current model, and allows users to abort the process at any time and show all clashes that have already been detected between the links. Once the process is done, you can browse and visualize all those linked element clashes in a similar way to all other modes of the tool. Note that a great feature that is also included is the background mode of the link-to-link mode, which allows users to keep working in the host model while the links are being tested for clashes in the background. All the modes above almost eliminate the need to export models to Navisworks. Still, Clash Preventor also includes an import Navisworks XML report that allows users to easily transfer all clashes from Navisworks to Revit. This tool will be shown in the next video.